Okay, here we have a beautiful king parrot, male king parrot. Really beautiful bird of the Australian bush. They're actually more timid than a gang cockatoo, so this male comes to our feeding table quite a lot, but he has to, because of their personality just not being a very assertive bird, he has to wait till the gangs and any other birds have moved out of the way. But today he's getting a little meal, so it's good for him. Really beautiful. So yeah, all the Australian birds are much more assertive than gangs, but one of the few birds that gangs are more assertive than is the king parrot. So these guys are quite shy. But they're really beautiful, and we've got the rainbow lorikeets over there. And the female king parrot's all green, so this is definitely a male. Okay, that will be the video, I think.